Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okoni dwaro nitie mondo tim lokruok e duol mar arita riwruok e piny mangima mondo konye kedo kod midhiero mag arita momako piny. Ruto koni kaka ochuogi duol mar arita riwruok pinje e piny mangima gi sani ok miye teko mar rakruok kod midhiero mokwako pinje koting'o lokruok chal ma kor lwasi, akwede mantie ahinya to yore mag chiwo hola ne pinje kolose romo mar jotend pinje. Ruto lero ni lokruoge nyalo biro tieko gwandruok e kind pinje.
The Secretary General's 2024 SDG report paints a dire picture. Only 17% of SDG targets are on track, largely due to unmet financial commitments, and developing countries, particularly in Africa and the Global South, are facing severe funding shortages, and the gap is widening. At the 2023 UN SDG Summit, we highlighted the urgent need to overhaul the global financial system. As we approach the fourth Financing for Development Forum in 2025, imaginative solutions for debt relief and development financing are essential to close the SDG gap. We must address the historical injustice of Africa's lack of permanent representation on the UN Security Council as a matter of justice in the ongoing UN reforms. Additionally, region-led peace operations sustainably funded by the UN-assessed contributions are critical in addressing today's complex security challenges.